All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
I've gone the wrong way. I need to walk that way. Here I am, ready to go snorkelling. Yay! I found a Nemo. How's our aim? Find a Nemo. I found a big massive bone. Don't know that was off. Big shark, I don't know. I don't think so. You never know. Anyway, mission complete. Nemo complete. Oh, where's she going? Oh, you've done this before. I thought you'd done it before. Put the camera up. That's it.
Oh,
hey, there we go. What are you doing?